Hi everyone, today we're going to do Module 4, whole number multiplication, lesson 8. So turn to page 33 so you can follow along and take notes. So today we're going to do multiplication facts 4 and 6. So similar, exact same strategies as before, but now just with different numbers, 4 and 6. So here we can see 0, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. The pattern is adding 4 every time or skip counting by 4. So then if we go 24, we add 4, we get 28. Add 4 again, we get 32. Add 4 again, we get 36. Same thing with number 2 is 6s. We're skip counting by 6 or adding 6 each time. So 36 plus 6, 42. Add another 6, we get 48. Add another 6, we get 54. So now if we look at it in list form in the multiplication sense, we see right here, 0 times 4. Remember, we always start 0 times anything is 0. 1 times anything is itself, so 1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 4 is 2 4s, so then we get 8. 3 times 4 is 3 4s, 12, 16. 5 times 4 is 20. 6 times 4 is 24. 7 times 4 is 28. 8 times 4 is 32. 9 times 4 is 36. And then for 6s, again, 0 times anything is 0. So 0 times 6 is 0. 1 times anything is itself. So 1 times 6 is 6. 2 times 6 is 12. 3 times 6 is 18. 4 times 6 is 24. 5 times 6 is 30. 6 times 6 is 36. 7 times 6 is 42. 8 times 6 is 48. And 9 times 6 is 54. All right, this says grid paper can show the basic multiplication facts for 4 and 6. This grid shows 4 times 9. So here we have 4 rows. Remember, rows go across, so they were shaded yellow. And the 9 columns were shaded blue. So we see that the green grid squares are where the 4 and the 6 or 4 and 9 overlapped. So this is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So all of this, 4 times 9, are the green ones. And if we counted those all up, we would get 36. So there are 36 green grid squares. So 4 times 9 is 36. This grid shows 6 times 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are shaded this way, the columns. And then there were 6 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, shaded this way. The green shows where they overlapped. So 6 times 7, if we counted them up, are 42. So there are 6 times 7 is 42 because there are 42 green grid squares. All right, find each product, 4 times 6. So for this one, I'm going to do skip counting by 4s, and I'm going to do it 6 times. So if I have 6 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I'm going to go 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. So we start here. This is 4 times 1, then times 2, times 3, times 4, times 5, times 6. So 4 times 6 is 24. Here we can see 5 times 4. Well, we did 5s in another lesson, but if we did it by 4s, we would know that we would want to do 4 times 1, and then here's 4 times 2 again, times 3, times 4, times 5. So this is 4 times 5, or 5 times 4, same thing, and we get 20. Now we have 6 times 9, so we can count by 6s 9 times. So I'm going to have 9 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we'll count by 6s. And we can see that if we do that, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 6 times 9 is 54. And then we'll use that same, or we'll have to use another, or keep adding on to this top chart, because now we have 4 times 8. This was only 4 times, this was 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times 5, 4 times 6, 4 times 7, 4 times 8. So if we add another 4 and then another 4, 4 times 8 is 32. All right, so if we look here, multiply by 4 using symbols, using words and symbols. Multiply 7 times 4. Identify that one factor is 4. So then we would count by 4 the number of times given by the other factor. So we would count 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So then you write the product. Remember, the answer of a multiplication problem is the product. These are the factors. So 7 times 4 is 28. Then multiply 6 using symbols. Multiply 5 times 6. Identify that one factor is 6. Count by 6 the number of times given by the other factor. So 5 times 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Then you write the product. 5 times 6 is 30. All right, now on your own, you're going to complete page 35. Good luck.